Hey everybody, it's Neil. I have this shockproof case. This is for the Motorola Razr Ultra 2025. It's the case with a ring holder and screen protector and hinge protection. And I'm showing it here. I'm doing this voiceover because when I originally did it, I made a bit of a mistake on there, but it comes really well packaged with the plastic over it on the inside and the outside, which is kind of cool. So it's got both sides are going to be crystal clear. Look at that. You can see me through there just perfectly. And it is nice, solid, and easily visible through for sure. And the backside as well is really strong, and it's a slightly transparent, so you could probably stick some pictures or something like that back there and see them through there, which is always what I like to do. It's kind of cool. And then it's got the screen hole for your camera or whatever as well. The hinge is just rubberized on there, but it's good. It's got like that carbon fiber kind of look on the inside of it, but you probably won't see that because it'll be covered up by your phone. But it'll open up really easy and clip onto your Motorola phone really nice and good. Comes with some cleaning stuff so you can clean your phone as well before you even start it. And it's good. And there I am showing that little carbon fiber looking insert. I guess that's gonna protect it more, but one thing I noticed about this is it's super strong. It's got great rubber strength around the whole side of it and everything like that. So it was really good. So if you do have the Motorola Razr phone and stuff like that, definitely pick up one of these. It should protect your phone and keep everything good.